Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX so far on track to rally higher after it reversed in our support area just below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. With AVAX as well, we talked in the last few weeks about this possible wave 1 to the upside, happened, completed, and then a following ABC structure here to the downside, which formed a larger A wave. Bottom on the 13th of February, together with many other coins here at the $17 level, rallied then in a B wave and came down in C. The expectation was to see a reaction here to the green support area. That happened so far. So far we are on track. We even broke above the descending trend line. This was the level that I indicated to you. Keep watching that descending trend line. It would be the first, let's say, larger signal that we can get that the trend is shifting here back to the upside. So that occurred. Since that signal, the chart rallied roughly 11%, not too bad, but also not anything worth pointing out too much here compared to many other cryptos. BNB rallied a bit more, for example, but either way, it's okay. Obviously, the performance is much better off the recent lows. So for now, taking the bigger picture into account, everything on track. You could say wave 1 to the upside, ABC to the downside, finished a wave 2, and we could now say it's in a wave 3 to the upside. I haven't actually labeled that, but you would have a wave 3 somewhere up there. We can calculate the targets for that wave 3 as well. Let's go to the 4-hour chart for that. Go to the right-hand side a little bit, and then looking at the length of the wave 1. We go then to the top, and we go to the low of the wave 2. Assumed low. It's not confirmed yet, really. Then the third wave should take us to $32 and beyond. So it's quite decent, at least 100% performance expected if the wave we get now is a third wave. But it's not as easy as that because we are still way below resistance, but so far everything looks good. And also the lower degree structure doesn't look too bad. So resistance on the way. The next key resistance level that we have is here the $17 level. A break above that level would have further bullish implications. I can imagine that we get rejected there, or we already did get rejected there. Maybe in the first attempt we are not going to push through here. So we're going to take a look at that now, but that's a key resistance level that we need to break to enable AVAX to run into, I would say, the next stage, which would be here around 1850. We had previous highs and resistance here in that region. Also here the A wave low is in that region. Some of these highs, the wave 3 high. So 1850 is quite an important level. When we get above that level, I think it can rally to around about $21. So looking at the lower degree wave structure, looks a bit like this was a 1-2 setup, and that we are, let me go to the 1-hour chart, we might see a little bit clearer everything, So here we've got the situation that I can count this as a wave 1. Then we had an A wave, an overshooting B wave, and a C wave down. Then I would say that we possibly completed here a third, could get a fourth and a fifth. That's pretty much in line with Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is a scenario in which we have an overshooting B wave here in this wave 2, and we can count all of this currently as a third wave complete. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No overlaps, everything good. So now we would be looking at the fourth wave. Can't guarantee that this fourth wave has started yet, but it's certainly possible. Target-wise, for the fourth, or let's actually say not target-wise, but what's the support that the fourth wave now needs to hold in order to give us a fifth wave to the upside? So we talk about here wave 4. So we would look at the retracements between 1623 and 1553, between the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level and the 50% Fib level. Somewhere between we should find support in the fourth wave. If not, then this pattern risks breaking down and to make a new low. Certainly would be useful for following the further bullish prospects to the upside to hold the 1553 level. So breaking below 1553 would raise some, would be a bit of an alarm signal, I would say. And it would increase likelihood that we are going to make a new low. Then I think if we do that, it would retest probably the 61.8 retracement again, and possibly the descending trend line. From there, it could still rally, but it would be a different pattern. So for now, we can just follow this pattern, an impulse possibly. And at the moment, it has only 3 waves, so it could also be an ABC. Ideally, though, it is following through, find support here at 1623 and would then rally in a wave 5. What would be a target for the wave 5? I can't give you a super accurate target. The reason is that I don't really have a confirmed low for the 4th wave yet. But if we just measure here the length 1 through 3, then and assume it might, the 38.2 fib level is an ideal target for a 4th wave. So we just assume we might hit that level. And then targets to the upside are $17, quite a coincidence because this is the key resistance, 1770, and then 1885. That would be quite an extended 5th wave though. So the more likely target is 1769. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.